Hey NMS, this is
Ethan
and Cooper with your WNMS broadcast for May 19th, 2021.
Let's recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Are you currently an 8th grader wanting to join the Novi Color Guard? Now is your chance. The Novi Color Guard tryouts start tomorrow, May 20th, from 6 to 8 p.m. at Novi High School. Outside the band room doors located near the tennis courts, there will be a session tryout next Thursday, May 27th, at the same time and location. Here are a few more details. Masks are required. No prior experience is necessary. Tryouts will occur outdoors, so make sure you wear athletic clothing, shoes, and bring lots of water. You can use the QR code to join the band app group.
The NWEA test is right around the corner and will occur tomorrow, May 20th. All students will be testing on this day, both virtual from home and in person at school.
Come be a part of the Novi Lady Wildcats basketball camp on June 14th through June 18th. Save your spot by making a check out to Novi Athletics and mail it to Novi High School by this Friday, May 21st. If you have any questions, see Miss Brenner in room 124 or email her at kendra.brenner@novik12.org.
The last student council meeting will be Monday, May 24th. Please check Schoology for more information.
It's toddler time. Check it out. Stay tuned for another terrific Toddler Friday.
It's sports trivia time again. Jimmy and Emmanuel tested some more student sports trivia.
First question, who has the most goals in NHL history?
I don't know anybody's names.
I'll give you a hint, number 99.
I don't know.
All right, I consider that a pass, so 0 for 1. Next question, who has the most passing touchdowns in NFL history? I'll give you a hint, it's the most obvious football player you can think of.
I
You just won a Super Bowl.
Oh, what's his name? Lost it. I don't know.
So that's another pass. So 0 for 2. The third one is, who is the quarterback for the Kansas City Chiefs?
I'm a terrible person to ask.
Okay. The answer to that one, I kind of made that one up on the spot. That was Patrick Mahomes. All right. First question, who has the most passing touchdowns in NFL history?
Drew Brees.
Close. Second question, who has the most MVPs in NFL history?
Is it Brady?
No, it's Peyton Manning. So if you get this one, you still get some pride. Who has the most points in NBA history?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Correct. All right. First question, who has the most points in NBA history?
Me? Yeah, me. I dropped like 1 million points in one game.
All right. That's funny, but I'm gonna have to mark that as incorrect. You're actually second.
Second.
Yeah. The second question is, who has the most passing touchdowns in NFL history?
Tom Brady.
Correct. He's 1 for 2. If you get this one, then you get one airhead.
Okay.
Probably should have told. Okay, whatever. Third question is, who was the last person to win the MLB Triple Crown?
MLB. Me.
The correct answer was Miguel Cabrera.
Where's my air?
I have a question. When was the last time the Detroit Lions won a playoff game?
The last time the Lions won a playoff game was 1991 when they defeated the Dallas Cowboys 38-6.
Yikes.
The first robotics team, Rapid Robots, will be holding a virtual open house Sunday, May 23rd at 4 p.m. FIRST stands for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. You can register for the question and answer session at the link on your screen. That was yours. Questions to rapidrobotsnovi@gmail.com. Information that will be covered in the meeting will be forming a new team, helping the community through first technical and organizational challenges, live robot demonstration.
The last game club meeting of the year will be held Tuesday, June 1st at 3 p.m. Please check Schoology for the Zoom link.
Book checkout in the Library Media Center ends Tuesday, June 1st. Please be sure to return all library materials by then. If your account is up to date by June 1st, there are several magazines and books that you may have to read and keep. Please see Mrs. Wesner in the Library Media Center with questions.
Here's your headline news of the Camden.
Hi, I'm Camden, and this is your headline news for Wednesday, May 19th of 2021. On Monday night, the New York Mets baseball team squared up with the Atlanta Braves. An outfielder, Kevin Pillar, was up to bat when a 94-mile-per-hour fastball struck him right in the face. And the stadium went into silence as both teams were in shock and also in disbelief. He was able to walk into the dugout on his own, and he is all right and very healthy. This has been Camden with your headline news.
What's up, Wildcats? It's Jimmy with your sports. On Monday, the girls' soccer team found themselves trailing for only the second time this season, but they battled hard, scoring 3 unanswered goals to beat Cranbrook 4-2. Poppy, Beadoin, Eisenhuth scored twice in the first half for the Wildcats, while Kira Kozlowski and Riley Forsyth each knocked in goals of their own to secure the win. Also, the NBA playoffs kick off this week. Here's your Today in History moment with Nick.
Hi, this is Nick for your Today in History. On this day in 1864, President Lincoln proposed to Charles Sumner that widows and children of soldiers should be given equal treatment regardless of their race. Lincoln met with a black woman whose husband had been shot in Tennessee about the proposal. 2 years later, in 1866, a law was created to have equal treatment of soldiers' dependents. This has been Nick with your Today.
What's good, NMS? This is Emmanuel with your WNMS weather broadcast for May 19th. Today, it is supposed to be 81 degrees and mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, it will be 88 degrees and partially cloudy. On Friday, it will be 90 degrees and partially cloudy again. Happy birthday to the following students:
No.
Oh. This has been Cooper
And Ethan.
signing off.